Traffic congestion was a problem, and several attempts were made to promote an underground railway. This culminated in the Glasgow District Subway Company opening a 6.5-mile circular line on the 14th of December 1896. In the following year, over 9.5 million passengers were carried. Built to a 4-foot track gauge, the line comprised two unconnected circles running side by side known as the outer and inner circles. There were no points or sidings. The tunnels were constructed to an 11-foot diameter and the steepest gradient was 1 in 18. There were 15 stations, all with island platforms. The line opened with cable traction, with power being supplied from a winding house in Scotland Street, east of Shields Road Station. Trains were propelled by gripping the continuous cable when they wished to proceed and letting go on arrival at stations. One of the grip mechanisms is shown here. It is now on display at the Glasgow Transport Museum. The cable ran at a constant speed of 13 miles per hour, giving a running time of 39 minutes for a train to complete a circuit. The cable ran on a series of pulleys 2 inches above rail level at the centre of the track. The original fleet of 30 gripper bogie cars numbered 1 to 30 was built by the Oldbury Carriage and Wagon Company of Birmingham. In 1898 these were supplemented by 24 four-wheeled trailers built by Hurst Nelson of Motherwell. These gave poor riding, and later 14 were lengthened and converted to bogie trailers, the remainder being scrapped. 4 more gripper cars were acquired in 1901 and a further 2 in 1913, all to the original design. This brought the total cars built for the system to 60. Trains operated with 1 gripper car and 1 trailer. The car shed was at Broomloan Road, Goodden, and access to the running lines was made by raising and lowering cars through an aperture in the workshop floor by means of a 22.5-ton capacity travelling crane. From 1922, the Underground was operated by Glasgow Corporation, the livery being red and cream. The corporation also operated a vast tramway network with over 1,000 cars in its heyday. Final abandonment coming in September 1962. Power to the Underground was supplied from existing tramway substations, which were fed by 6,600-volt feeder cables. Electricity was generated at the large Pinxton Power Station. The power station was sold to